I'm seeing someone here really excited to see you, really excited to talk to you. That's the energy. So let us all find out who is this person here. This person here is appearing as someone that you will definitely get involved as long as love or heart space is related here. So let's see. But someone here is really excited to talk to you, to see your face, to hear your voice, kind of thing. Yeah, definitely. With the star, I do see that whoever this individual is giving me the vibe that he or she really considered you as someone special. So, for a person to consider someone special, it only means that this is something here that he or she treasures. So, maybe this is a romantic potential lover. Let's see. Let's find out who is this person here. Angels and spirit guides, tell me something about this person. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful connection awaits you guys. Whoever this individual is, Two of Cups, I do pick up that this is someone here. Okay? You are someone who might be this person is manifesting, desiring right here. And for some reason, I'm picking up that there's a balanced energy coming from both sides. So that's so intriguing. Let's all find out what is that all about. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and find out other informations. Yeah, I knew it. So let's lay all the energies first on the table before we start talking more about this reading of yours, beautiful soul. Yeah, someone made up his or her mind right here. Something specific involving you. Guys, so before we start talking more about this, let me just greet everyone. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here, and of course, this is timeless as well. So, if this resonates here with you, please apply this into your own unique situation. So, from the looks of it, we have here the Six of Cups energy, Page of Swords, and there's that Two of Wands. Okay, I do pick up that whoever this individual is, this person here already know. Yeah, this person here already knows that you like him or her a lot. So whoever this individual is, I do sense that this person here already figured out that you like him or her so much. So maybe you have this big crush with whoever this person is, or maybe you like this person here so much, like sometimes you are unaware that you are expressing obviously your emotions and feelings for him or her. This person here knows that 101% that you like him so much. For others of you, you could have already developed deeper feelings and emotions, like it is already called love for others of you, but this person here definitely knows that already. So whoever this individual is, okay, let me just get straight to the point. This person here likes you too. This person here likes you back as well. This person here also feels the same way as you are feeling for him or her. So this person here is definitely giving me the vibe that this person here likes you as well and loves you as well. Wow. So whoever this individual is with the Six of Cups energy, and there's that beautiful lovers, yeah, lovers in the presence of Six of Cups, this is definitely some kind of a beautiful soul connection here between you and this person here that you're dealing. So this person here wants to take things slow between the both of you. Okay, this person here wants to feel that type of feeling of taking this connection here slowly but steady. So whoever this individual is, this person here likes you too. That's why he or she continue to hang out with you, talk to you, have that everyday conversations here with you, wanting to know your updates or your status right here. Maybe it has something to do with your social media platforms here. This person here follows you and you follow this person here back. Yeah, I do see that this person here is updated with your day-to-day life, especially if you are someone here who is active when it comes to your online social media platforms or applications like Facebook, Instagram, okay, or any social media platforms would do. So whoever this individual is, I do sense that this is someone here who is enjoying your company. Yeah, definitely. So this person here is enjoying your company. This person here loves to listen to your stories. I do see that this person here loves to hear your voice. So this person here, yeah, for some reason, okay, for others of you, this might not resonate here for a lot of you, okay? But I do see that if you are someone here who sings very well, I do pick up that this person here loves you hearing, okay, that you are singing. So this person here loves to hear you sing. This person here loves your voice. Yeah. So you do not need to be a singer or someone here that, uh um who is famous when it comes to singing abilities, but this is you, okay? You can sing and your voice is really uh something here that this person here wants to hear. Yeah, so whoever this individual is, I do see that with the Four of Swords energy, the Hermit right at the center of this reading beside this Ace of Cups, this only means that this person here will definitely realize more in the upcoming days or in the upcoming months right here, like consecutively. This person will realize more that he or she really wants to pursue this connection to the next level. So this person here wants to level up this connection here with you. So I do see that whenever you're with this person, I think there's a specific signs and clues right here that you might not be aware. Every time you are with this person, I'm picking up that the angels and spirit guides of yours are already sending you clues and signs that this person here is somewhat meant to stay here in your life. And I do pick up that those signs and clues are specifically nature related. So it might be trees, it might be plants, it might be butterflies, it might be dragonflies, it might be the flowers and the seas and the mountains. So nature related things. So whenever you keep on saying those nature related things, or maybe whenever you are with this person here, you are being surrounded here with nature or whatever, okay? Or maybe you are in a workplace right here, and then there's a butterfly or dragonfly popped out from somewhere. That is already a clue that this person here is meant for you. So you might want to watch out those nature related specific signs that your angels and spirit guides wants you to receive. So they're already guiding you right here. So you might be unaware of that. So you might want to check if that is something here that you might want to know. Okay, so I do see that for others of you, if this person here has not yet arrived in your life, I do pick up that you will meet him or her in an event or where there's gathering of people right here. Maybe those are your close alliances, maybe those are your soul tribe, or maybe those are your family right here. Maybe that's an important event, but for others it could be, a crowd of people here wherein maybe it's a seminar, or maybe it is a work related thing, maybe this is a company outing, or maybe there's a gathering right here, a celebration of your company's anniversary, or whoever this individual is. I do see that this is someone here meant to meet you. So I do see that if there's a gathering of people right here, or an event or a celebration, you will definitely have a short conversation with this person here. And that will be the start here of something beautiful, like a connection. Okay. And I do pick up that this connection right here will be described as a connection like no other. So yeah, whoever this individual is, I do see that with the Ace of Swords energy, this is someone here who is very honest, someone here that very balanced when it comes to his or her spirit and attitude. So whoever this individual is, I do see that this is someone here that you can trust. Yeah, you can trust his or her words or his or her promises. This is someone here who keeps his or her promises. Yeah. Okay, so wow. And with the Page of Wands energy, the Moon card, and the Three of Wands energy, I do see that this is someone here, okay, who will definitely confess to you an upcoming confession right here coming from this person that he or she likes you too, or he or she loves you as well. So I do pick up that you both feel the same way for each other, and you will definitely know that truth. That is definitely this person's truth right here. This person here could be hiding it for quite a long time already for others of you. Okay, you will definitely receive right here confession coming from their heart, telling you, okay, that they are also feeling the same way for you. So, whoever this individual is, I do see that this person here will surely realize that um this connection right here is definitely meant to level up or to ascend. So I'm picking up that this person here, he or she will confess to you his or her love and affection for you. So definitely it's up to you whether you're going for this relationship or not. But from the looks of this, I'm picking up that you're really excited because you like this person too. And I do see that you will definitely love to be in this very beautiful connection and romantic relationship with this person here meant for you. So, wow! Claim this beautiful message right here, sweethearts, because this confession right here is that type of confession that you will surely love to hear. And this is the kind of love that you really want here for yourself. So, thank you so much for your time spent here in Love and Light.